Have you ever wondered how a kid from a small town became the biggest YouTuber on the entire planet? We're talking about the one and only MrBeast. From filming videos in his bedroom to literally giving away millions of dollars. This is the unbelievable story of Jimmy Donaldson. It all kicked off back in 2012. A 13-year-old Jimmy, with no fancy camera or big production team, uploaded his very first video. It was just pure passion and a ton of wild ideas. In the beginning, his videos barely got any views, but did he give up? Absolutely not. Instead, Jimmy became obsessed. He spent thousands of hours studying the YouTube algorithm, figuring out what makes a video go viral. He tested everything from crazy long titles to eye-catching thumbnails. He was determined to crack the code, and spoiler alert, he did. If you're fascinated by stories of passion and perseverance, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Video opens with a shot of someone scrolling through typical YouTube videos, looking bored. Most YouTubers chase trends, trying to figure out what the algorithm wants. They do challenges, vlogs, gaming videos. But what if the secret to success isn't about following the crowd, about doing something so outrageously different that people can't look away? One creator decided to find out. He set up a camera, sat down, and started counting. But he wasn't counting to 100 or even 1,000. Then came the video that changed everything, counting to 100,000. It took him over 40 hours to finish, a marathon of pure dedication streamed for the world to see. And the world noticed it went viral. Millions of people watched, completely mesmerized. Suddenly, everyone wanted to know, who is this guy willing to do the impossible just for YouTube? He proved that sometimes the craziest ideas are the ones that truly connect. Thanks for watching. If you love stories about creators who break the mold, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Then, something shifted. MrBeast began to explore a totally new frontier. One nobody had ever dared to venture into on this scale. He started doing the unthinkable, giving away thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. Not to celebrities, but to complete strangers. He wasn't just chasing views, he was changing lives. He'd find small, struggling creators and give them the boost they needed, or open entire food banks to feed communities for free. He brilliantly merged generosity with entertainment, creating a genre of its own. And guess what? People absolutely loved it. The world was captivated. With every single video, the stakes got higher, the concepts got crazier, and the moments became more and more heart-touching. He wasn't just a YouTuber anymore, he was a phenomenon. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more stories. Ever wondered if one person with a camera could actually change the world? Well, let me tell you about MrBeast. This isn't just about crazy challenges and giving away money. It's about a vision. From planting 20 million trees with Team Trees to fighting hunger by feeding millions through his charity, Beast Philanthropy, he's shown us the real power of the YouTube community. He's also a savvy entrepreneur, building massive brands like Feastables and MrBeast Burger. But here's the incredible part. He channels that success right back into his ultimate mission, making the world a genuinely better place. He's redefined what it means to be a creator, proving that entertainment can have a massive positive impact on people's lives. It's inspiring, isn't it? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories about people changing the game. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, let's talk about a name you all know, MrBeast. But have you ever really thought about his journey? He didn't just wake up one day with millions of subscribers and cash to give away. It all started with a kid, a camera, and a wild dream. Think about it. He wasn't born into a wealthy family or handed a golden ticket. He started from scratch, just like most of us. What he had was relentless passion and the courage to keep uploading, even when no one was watching. His story is the ultimate proof that you don't need a huge bank account to start chasing your goals. Today, MrBeast is more than just a YouTuber. He's a movement inspiring millions. His journey teaches us a powerful lesson. Your starting point doesn't define your destination. All you need is a dream and the grit to pursue it. If this story fired you up, smash that like button. Share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more inspiration. Because who knows? The next world-changing creator might just be you.